An example of financial analysis is analyzing a company's performance and trend by calculating financial ratios like profitability ratio, including net profit ratio, which is calculated by net profit divided by sales. It indicates the company's profitability, by which we can assess the company's profitability and trends of profit. There are more liquidity ratios, turnover ratios, solvency ratios. So the liquidity ratio can measure company's ability to repay both short and long term obligations. Okay, the liquidity ratio can measure company's ability to repay both short and long term obligations. Number one liquidity ratio is current ratio, that is current assets divided by current liabilities. The current ratio measures a company's ability to pay off short term liabilities with current assets. So when we take an example of this, so here we have an example. The current ratio measures the number of current assets to current liabilities. Generally, the ratio of 1 is considered ideal for depicting that the company has sufficient current asset to repay its current liabilities. Okay, ratio 1 is considered ideal. So the formula, as I told you, current ratio is equals to current assets divided by current liabilities. For example, there are two companies, XYZ and ABC. So current assets of XYZ is 2 lakh and ABC is 3,50,000, and current liabilities of XYZ is 1,50,000 and ABC is 2 lakh. So what will be the current ratio of these? Current assets divided by current liabilities. Here we will get the answer is 1.33. This is the current ratio of XYZ, and ABC company is 3,50,000 divided by 2 lakh is 1.75. Okay, that means the ABC company current ratio is better than XYZ. This one is better. It's in a better position to repay its current obligations. This company is in better position to repay its current obligations. Okay, so this is the good current ratio. 1.75 is better than this.